Okay, today we are going to use place value to describe values of two-digit numbers. So you're not going to have any hundreds today. You're not going to have any numbers that have three numbers, okay? You're only going to have two. Got it? Okay, so here's a story for you. Tyler collects baseball cards. The number of cards that he has is written with a 2 and a 5. How many cards might he have? If his numbers have a 2 in it and a 5 in it, his number has a 2 and a 5. What could that number be? Hudson? 25. It could be 25, right? Okay. How do you write 25?
A 2 and a 5.
A 2 and a 5. So, when I write 25, I'm going to make 2 and a 5, right? Go ahead and put those in, boys and girls. 25 is written with a 2 and a 5. So you can see the 5 is in the ones, the 2 is in the tens. That means you'll have 2 tens first, and then 5 more to make 25. Okay? Or what's the other number? It says that it has to have a 2 and a 5, but does it say that the 2 has to go first? So if you switch those around,
It would be 52.
it would be what?
52.
It would be 52. Put that in this one. It would be 52, right? Okay. Now it says to choose a way to show the numbers. Now, boys and girls, remember we had our sticks, our green sticks the other day. They're base 10 blocks. Okay? Remember the ones that were the long ones? They look like this. They had 10 little squares in them. Okay? Okay, but then you had some that were just little ones like that, right? Just ones. Okay? That's how we're going to draw today. I want to show the number 25 using tens and ones. Okay? How many tens do I need to show for 25? How many tens? Look at that number, 25.
2.
How many tens does it need?
2.
You need 2 tens, so I want you to draw a big stick and another big stick. 2 big sticks to show the tens. I won't make you draw the lines in them, okay? I won't make you draw the lines in them because you don't need to, as long as you know that there's 10 in that big stick, okay? How many ones do I need to show 25? I have 2 tens. What else do I need though? That's only 20. 10, 20. I want to show 25. So what do I need to do now, Alize? Draw 5 ones. So I need to come down here and draw 5 ones. I can draw them this way, or boys and girls, I could draw them up too. You just have to draw them individually, okay? It might be easier to do. Kind of draw them up. But you just have to have spaces in them to show, okay? So 2 tens and 5 ones. That's how you make 25. Okay? Now let's do 52. Down there. I want you to show me or tell me how to draw 52 with our base 10 blocks that we're drawing. How do I draw it? 52. What would I do first? What would I do first, Nicholas?
Draw 10, 5 lines.
5,
10.
10 blocks. Yes. 5 sticks that show 10 blocks, right? 5 of these. Good. 5 big blocks to show 50, right? Let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now what do? I only have 50. I need to do 52. What do I need to do to show 52? What do I do, Grayson?
Draw 1,
Draw how many ones?
2.
2 ones. I need to draw 2 ones to show 52. Because then you go like this, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. See how that works? All right, let's go to the next page. Flip it over. Flip over your page. Flip over your page, please. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are digits. In a 2-digit number, you know that the value of a digit is its place. Okay? They're doing the number 64. How many 10s are there? Can you count them? How many 10s blocks are there? Or 10 sticks? How many are there, guys? 6. How many ones?
4.
4. So you know it's 64, right? The digit 6 is in the tens place. It tells you there are 6 tens or 60. The digit 4 is in the ones place. It tells you there are 4 ones or 4. Okay? All right, we're going to stop there and we're going to go to lunch. All right, boys and girls, for share and show, they want you to circle the value of the red digit. Okay, sometimes that red digit will be in the ones place. Sometimes that red digit will be in the tens place. You have to circle which one of those is it. So looking at number 1, it has the number what? What's on number 1?
26.
26. Which one of those digits is in red?
6.
Okay. Is the 6 in the tens or is the 6 in the ones place? So you are going to circle 6 ones, right? Okay. It's already circled for you, but you can circle around it anyway again. Now let's look at number 2. What's that number?
58.
58. Which number on that one, though, is red?
5.
The 5. Now, is the 5 in the tens place or in the ones place? The 10. So are we going to circle 5 or are we going to circle 50? 50, because 50 is the tens. Okay? You know a tens number because it has 2 digits, not just 1. Okay? Does that make sense? They switched around those numbers. I would have had the 50 first. They're trying to trick you. You guys got to make sure you're really paying attention. Okay, what's number 3? What number is that? 40. What number is red?
4.
Is the 4 in the tens or the ones place?
10.
So are we doing 40 or are we doing 4?
40.
40. Okay. I'm going to let you do number 4, 5, and 6 with a partner. And then after your partners are done, I will check it. You guys are going to raise your hand. I will check it. And then you're going to do on your own at least to 15. And then we will do the hot problem together. Okay? All right. Okay. On your own page, we're going to look at the hot problem. Look at the digits of the numbers. Draw a quick picture for the missing blocks. Okay. So we have the number 47, right? But is it showing 47?
No.
No, it's showing 110 and 11. 110 and 11 is 11. What do we need to add to make it 47? How many tens do we need for 40? Vivian?
4.
We need 4. We only have 1, so how many more do we need, Vivian?
4. 3 more.
We need 3 more. 3 more tens. So you draw 3 more tens. Do it right now. I'm helping you out here.
Pushing it on the side.
Okay. How many more ones do we need? We only have how many ones right now, Clara?
7.
We need 7, and we only have,
1.
so how many more do we need? We have 1s, we need 7. So what's 1 less than 7? Okay, you have 1. Look at your 1 on there. On your number line. Claire, on your number line. 1. Right? Get your 1. Okay. Now count on 1, 2, 3 to get to 7. How many is that? 6 more. There you go. So we need 6 more 1s. Okay, number 7, 52. What do we need? 52. All I have is 2 tens. How many tens do we need for 50? Yes, Claire?
5, 10.
We need 5 tens. So how many more do we need? Ma'am?
3.
3 more. And how many ones do we need?
2.
2 more. $63 is number 18. 63. Do they have 3 for the ones?
No.
Well, how many more do we need to get for 3 to be the ones? 1. Okay, do we have 6 tens for 60?
No.
How many do we have?
4.
We only have 4. How many more do we need?
2.
2. Okay. Okay, number 19 says, my number has 8 tens. The digit in the ones place is greater than the digit in the tens place. What is my number? Okay, so I made 2 lines, right?
Yeah.
And then I said, which side is the tens on? You showed me with your hand. And you said the tens was on this side, so we put the 8 there. Then I said, what's greater than the ones, or the ones digit has to be greater than this number 8. We said 9 was greater than 8. So your number is 89 right there. Okay, we said the sum of the digits is 3. We said 1 plus 2 equals 3. We just had to figure out which number was there. We said 2 is double 1, so 12 is our number.